Hi there, how are you doing tonight? So, I have some winter skincare tips for you. Who has some major dry skin and chapped lips right now? It's been going around in our family. And yikes, it has been bad. And what about all this windy weather, winter weather, especially here in Southern California? Well, you deserve to take a little time for yourself and pamper yourself and hydrate your skin. So I have 5 quick tips for you, all right? Number 1 is hydrate your body. Number 2 is avoid hot showers, long hot showers. Number 3 is exfoliate. Number 4 is moisturize your skin. And number 5 is use a humidifier. Let me give you some more details on those 5, okay? Number 1, hydrate your body. Sometimes in the winter, we forget to drink water because it's not so hot like summer, and we drink. So drink lots of water. Make it a priority. Sip on some herbal teas. Find a big water bottle and drink 3 of them. I'm using my recycled Ningxia Red bottle and drinking 3 a day. Now, among the many benefits of drinking water, it also helps your skin's elasticity, all right? And what if you don't really like water? Like, oh, it's so boring. Well, let me give you tips. Of course, I love these Young Living Vitality Drops because they make your water taste so good without sugar, and they have electrolytes. But my go-to is just lemon vitality essential oil, putting a couple drops in there. Spearmint is delicious. Any citrus fresh. Okay, number 2 is avoid long hot showers. So this one's a hard one for me, especially it's tempting in the winter time, and I get cold easily. So the problem is that hot water strips the skin's natural moisture and the natural oils out. And so then you don't have that healthy, hydrated, protected skin. So instead, try to take shorter showers and more on the lukewarm side. And don't worry, let me give you a tip to make your shower still feel like a spa experience. Grab your eucalyptus essential oil or raven or something like that, anything you like, and put a few drops on the shower floor, and it will open up your airways, be refreshed, even on washcloth, all right? And instead of getting your warmth from that hot shower, why not cozy up with your bathrobe afterwards or a cozy blanket? Another tip is work out before your shower. This is what I try to do in the morning because I'm already warm after that, so a cooler shower feels better. Okay, number 3 is exfoliate your skin. So doing this 2 or 3 times a week helps that cell turnover and circulation. So let me give you some ways on how to exfoliate. First, make a sugar scrub. It's super easy. You just need sugar, brown sugar or white, coconut oil, and some essential oils. I will post some recipes later, but here's mine. I was realizing I'm almost out. I did it with brown sugar and I added vanilla in there, and it smells so good. I keep mine in the shower, so I do my arms and legs in the shower. I also keep some by my bathroom sink or kitchen sink, and so after washing my hands, I also exfoliate, and with that coconut oil, it really moisturizes. Now, let's talk. Oh, you can also make a coffee scrub with ground coffee, not only exfoliating, but energizing. Now, let's talk about other places besides your body, like hands and arms, to exfoliate. Your lips. Do you have chapped lips, dry lips? Well, Young Living has this poppy seed scrub that is amazing. It looks like that. There's real poppy seeds in there, and it really works and makes soft lips. And in case some gets in your mouth, it tastes sweet, and it's all natural ingredients. There are recipes out there for that. You could DIY your own lip scrub too. Okay, your face. Grab Young Living's Satin Facial Mint Scrub. It has a slight peppermint scent. It's cool and refreshing, and it's a gentle exfoliant. Don't forget about exfoliating your feet. Did you know that we have a Lavender softening foot scrub? It really makes soft feet, let me tell you. And let me tell you about 2 other ways to exfoliate. You can grab one of these kind of tools for your feet to get that heel and rub off the dead skin cells. But I love dry brushing. It just takes a couple minutes, up to 5 minutes, but before you take a shower, gently scrub. This is a very soft brush. In circular motion, your arms, your legs, going from the bottom towards your heart, your back, even your stomach, and it gets off the dead skin cells, and then you rinse it, when you take a shower. Okay, we're on to number 4, moisturizing. So after you exfoliate, moisturizing is the perfect second step because it targets the dryness and locks in hydration. Young Living has several options to moisturize, and I'm really passionate about this because commercial or things you just buy at the store, all those lotions and creams, you don't know, they have bad ingredients in them that are very toxic. Anything that is inside goes on your skin, absorbs in there, especially all those synthetic fragrances. You don't know what's in the ingredient fragrance. So many ingredients that are harmful could be in there. And a lot of creams have petroleum. You do not want that. Okay, so here's a couple tips. Moisturize right after your shower. And that really seals in the moisture and helps restore the skin's protective barrier. Here's another tip. Moisturize, make a habit right before bed. Put it into your bedtime routine. This is what I do. I put some on my hands because they're the driest, and feet, and you won't touch them because you're sleeping. Okay, now let's talk about some different options from Young Living. They have so many, but just the regular hand and body lotions. Lavender is a favorite. I like putting a pump thing on here, but we love Genesis. It smells so good. And there's also one called Sensation that is perfect for romantic time, especially Valentine's is coming up. So those are lotions. Now, maybe you need a step up, like me, with super dry. So I love the coconut lime body butter. I think I'm almost out. It smells like tropics. And even more moisture is a couple of their Young Living ointments. They have an animal sense ointment. It's not just for animals, it's for people too. And a rose ointment. So these are like the texture of a balm, maybe even like a lip balm. And I grab a little bit and then I rub it on my hands and elbows, and it feels a little greasy at first, but it just like goes right in. It's actually a better value to get the animal ointment. And if you have pets, you could use it on them too. Okay, now after you moisturize your hand and body, what about your face, right? So let's talk about the choices. Sandalwood cream is the most thickest moisturizing for sure. And it has that wonderful sandalwood essential oil in there. My favorite though is the Art Intense moisturizer. It has this really cool feature that it just kind of pops up just the amount you need. And what I do for added boost though, at night, I have this, and then I add with it the CBD Beauty Boost. It's so moisturizing, and it has rose essential oil in there, and it smells amazing. So I just put several drops from this dropper. It just feels like a luxury of self-care. Young Living also has a wonderful serum that's very hydrating and made out of orchids. So you can try that. You can also DIY serums with frankincense and lavender, several different oils that are great for your face, and jojoba oil as a carrier oil. Now, don't forget your lips. You gotta moisturize them. Grab the lavender or one of Young Living's lip balms. You can also DIY your own lip balms. It's pretty simple and cost effective. Okay, we've made it to the last tip is use a humidifier. So in winter months, humidity tends to be lower, and when it comes to both outdoor and indoor. So how does this affect your skin? Well, low levels of humidity reduce the skin's ability to serve as that barrier as moisture is drawn out. So did you know that Young Living's Dewdrop diffuser and Feather the Owl diffuser are both humidifiers as well? So diffuse all day and night with those and have better skin. All right, I hope you enjoyed these 5 winter skincare tips. Take care of yourself and your skin, and I'll talk to you soon.